Blessings everyone. You're tuned in to Jamaica News Scoop, where we bring you the news from every angle as we spread our eyes across Jamaica, our little island home. Feel free to leave a comment, and if it's your first time here, please like and share and subscribe, and also remember to hit that notification bell and select all, so we can keep you abreast of all happening. Have a great day as we now move to the news. A double murder has rocked the quiet community of barracks in MANCHIONEAL, Portland, following the discovery of two bodies early Wednesday morning. The deceased have been identified as 55-year-old Linville Lindsay and his wife, Annette Gibson Lindsay. Linville's body was found lying on a roadway near the couple's premises, while the woman was discovered inside their one-bedroom board house with multiple chop wounds to the face. The police are theorizing that the husband may have attempted to flee his attackers but was chased and shot multiple times. The gruesome killing reportedly occurred about 2:30 a.m. The scene is now being processed by police detectives. Portland has now recorded 4 murders since the start of 2021.
This is the home that was shared by the husband and wife who were murdered last night by unknown assailants at barracks in MANCHIONEAL, Portland.